Welcome to the installation guide for the SYNC180 Side Port Energy Recovery Ventilator, or ERV. In this video, we'll cover the basics of installing the SYNC180 to ensure optimal performance. For this installation, you'll need the following tools. To get started, we recommend choosing an installation location in a conditioned space for easy access and maintenance. The SYNC180 side port unit offers two mounting options, ceiling or wall mount, making it perfect for spaces where flexibility is key. Make sure there is enough door clearance for filter and core access. In this example, we will be wall mounting the unit. It is important to note that due to natural condensation accumulation, the unit must have the door hinges directed toward the floor in the wall mount configuration. Please refer to the image included on the door panel to ensure proper orientation. Before mounting the unit, you can easily remove the door and the unit's core to make it lighter to install. If needed, you can also prep your surface by installing 2x4s across the wall studs so you don't have to mount directly to the stud. First, install the mounting brackets on the unit using the hardware provided. Next, use the mounting brackets and provided screws to install the unit to the mounting surface. As a best practice, we recommend isolating the mounting brackets from the mounting surface to minimize vibration. Now you'll connect the ductwork. There are three main types of installation configurations: simplified, partially dedicated, and fully dedicated. In this example, we are showing a simplified installation where the ERV connects directly to the air handler's cold air return. Stale air is drawn from the cold air return duct, and fresh air is introduced downstream into the same duct. A partially dedicated installation draws stale air from specific locations, such as bathrooms or laundry rooms, and introduces fresh air into the cold air return. This method allows for targeted ventilation of specific areas. For both the simplified and partially dedicated installation, while not required for the ERV to run properly, interlocking the air handler with the ERV will allow for even air distribution. Lastly, the fully dedicated installation is a standalone system where the ERV draws stale air from specific points and delivers fresh air to specific locations. This system is not connected to the air handler or furnace, making it ideal for installations that don't have a central HVAC system. For all installation scenarios, here are a few tips to maximize your airflow. All duct runs should be kept as short as possible and have as few bends or elbows as possible. 45-degree elbows are preferred to 90-degree elbows. And use Y fittings instead of T fittings whenever possible. All duct joints should be fastened with screws, rivets, or duct sealant and wrapped with mastic or quality duct tape to prevent leakage. And all ducts running through attics and unheated spaces must be sealed and insulated to code. In cold climates, the duct bringing outdoor air to the ERV should be insulated to avoid condensation. Once the ductwork is connected, it's time to move on to the control and electrical connections. These units come with a 10-pin terminal block and can be controlled in multiple ways. We offer timers, 2-speed dehumidistat switches, and a precision sync wall control, which includes a convenient backlit LCD display and precision balancing to dial in exact airflow when paired with the SYNC A and F models. Refer to our controls overview for more information about the available options. You can also use any third-party control with a dry contact. In this application, we're installing the Precision Sync control. Using 3-wire, 20-gauge minimum, connect red, green, and yellow to the wiring terminals located on the control's backplate. Attach the backplate to the wall, then attach the faceplate to the backplate, being careful of the alignment to avoid damaging the contact pins. On the terminal block located on the ERV, connect a jumper wire between on and red, and connect the 3-wire 20-gauge minimum, red, yellow, and green. Now you can power on and test the unit. Start by reinstalling the unit core and door if you removed it prior to mounting. The unit comes with a standard 3-foot power cord that should be plugged directly into a 120-volt AC outlet. Hardwired units are available on request. For hardwired installations, connect the line black, neutral white, and ground screw as shown in the installation manual. Connection should be made by a licensed electrician. Once the SYNC180 is powered on, ensure the fans operate correctly and check the airflow. The SYNC180 features precision auto balancing when paired with the Greenheck Precision Sync controller, allowing the unit to automatically adjust to maintain your set airflow. Refer to the balancing procedures in the installation manual to confirm performance. With its side port design, flexible mounting options, and precision balancing feature, the SYNC180 is designed for efficient installation and operation. For more detailed instructions, please refer to the installation manual, or if you have any questions regarding your installation, please call our customer support number for assistance.